Hello, happy crafters. So today I did some shopping. I went on a little adventure. And I got myself a Cricut maker. And they told me that it was champagne. I don't know what that means. A color, I think, a brownish color maybe. So I am going to open up this beautiful box. It's beautiful. It's also quite heavy. I didn't even carry it. My husband carried it for me. And I'm going to show you guys all of the stuff that's inside of here before I start doing videos where I'm actually using this beautiful, beautiful machine. So we're going to open it up. This is my very first time opening it. I'm very, very excited. Okay, well, I can just do that. Okay, what do we got? This says, let's get started. To begin, go to cricut.com/setup. What's in this box? Materials for your first project. Oh, it's an envelope. Let's see what's in here. No going back now. I opened it up. Alright, so we have some thick paper, like cardstock kind of paper. And that's all that was in there. Close that up. And we'll put that over here. All right, Cricut Maker welcome book. Now that's a book. Sweet. It shows you all different kinds of stuff you can do. Fun. Book. Here's one of the blades. It looks like a rotary blade, which I don't know what you would do with that just yet. Let's see. Marker for doing like cards and stuff. Cable for hooking it up to stuff. Blade cover, or what does it say? Cricut rotary blade cap. So I guess when you take it out of here, it has a cap for protection. That's pretty great. Another Cricut Maker book. Oh, this is in Spanish. No, that's Spanish. Libro is Spanish, so I'm gonna go with French. That's really cool. You get the book in French and Spanish and English. Alright, and then warranty paperwork. Okay, so I'm going to put this aside, put the blade back in here. That's pretty cool. And then weird. Okay. Ooh, what do we got here? Okay, I'm gonna take, it's the machine. Ugh. Pop this off. It is like a brown color. It's like a pinky brown color. Like a very, very soft. Hello. It's really nice. It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Like it's wide. Like I have the Joy, which you guys have seen me use before, which is like this big, like a third of the size of this. Oh, it has like a little cubby where you can put like your pens and your cutter your cutter things. I'm gonna need you to stop. Okay. I'm gonna pick this up and move this over here so I can go through the stuff that's underneath it. Oh, Lordy, Lordy. That is heavy. Okay. This is the thing that it came in. We have another cable. So the first cable must have been like hook up to like a computer maybe. And this is like the wall plug-in. So there's that. Silica pack. Alarm on my phone, which means it's 9 p.m. I can go turn it off. I'll be right back. That was my 9 o'clock alarm. I'm dropping cardboard stuff. All right. And, oh, it comes with 2 of the mats. Okay, light grip and fabric grip. That's cool. They're a little bowed, but I'll just lay something on them, straighten them out. And that is the box. That is everything. I'm kind of glad I almost at the store splurged and got all the different mats, but I didn't. Instead, I just got the standard grip just to get started. And I didn't even realize that it came with these. That's cool. So fabric grip, light grip, cable, book in several languages, blade, a couple of materials, which I will probably not be using because I am not doing cardstock type things. I am doing like vinyl, which is fine. I probably will eventually try something different. But that is the Cricut Maker, all the stuff that came in my box, the champagne color, and I will be doing videos getting it out, getting it set up, using it. I have several things that I plan on using it for. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment on tips and tricks because I've literally never used one of these before and I have no idea what I'm doing, but I will figure it out because that's what I do. And I will see you guys next time.